I see you're having some roofing problems. And I know you're tired of having odd characters on your roof to do repairs, causing a bigger mess.
Then call Chicon Services, your one-stop shop for all your household needs. Chicon Services, your dream is our reality.
I'm pulling into the driveway right now where I'm going to do a do-it-yourself countertop. So simple. You're going to love this. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Now this is the area that I will be placing the countertop. Now the material that we will need to build this countertop are 2 sheets of plywood, 6 sheets of 120 sandpaper, 1 quart mahogany stain, 4 2 by 2 by 12, 200 2-inch wood screw, and about the same 200 or 300 3-inch wood screw, and of course a bottle of wood glue. I had previously pre-cutted all of the pieces that I would need for the countertop. Now all I'll do is just fit them up and we're good to go. I had already attached one of the sides to the countertop. Now this is the second side, and I'm going to screw it up. And well, first I'm going to apply some glue and then screw it up. So we talk in Jamaica is screw it up. Right now I'm using 2-inch screws for a more proper fit. The 2-inch screws will extend into the 5/8 ply and you'll get a tighter mold. When working with wood, I tend to use screws a lot. I think it's a lot stronger than nail. It doesn't pull out like what the nail will pull out. You definitely have to screw it up if you have made a mistake or something. But of course, that's my opinion. You should always use what you feel comfortable using. And I want to tell you something. You see them glue stain down the leaf? You try wipe off them stain before you leave that spot. I find out the hard way that leaving those running stains was a big mistake. Always be careful when working with wood, and bear in mind, an accident is right around the corner. Causing a bigger mess. Now this is the countertop falling into place. The top, sides, and this piece that is not yet connected is going to be the bottom. And here is the finished product. Now this is well sanded. We have glued all the joints. The only thing that is left is to paint on the color.
Okay, now I've constructed our countertop. I'm going to put some steel varnish on the top and side of it. Let's apply the steel varnish. So it's good to bring your varnish to make sure you have your paint enough. That should go. This is that shit. This point, you don't want to mix it with the thinner. So you don't want to get it too watery or too thin. This clear the area. Nice roll up, very nice roll up. And when you roll, try and roll against the wood. Now, doing a roll runs this way, so I'm rolling that way. It's against the grain of the wood. At least for the first coat, we're going to go on that way. You're going to have a nice little two-tone stroke going on there, but don't pay that any attention. rolling.
I didn't use any sanding belt when I was sanding this, no electrical equipment. I just used a 100 grade sandpaper, or was it a 120? I think it was a 120 grade sandpaper, and get it as smooth as possible.
The entrance one spot. Cover as one spot if you can. As even as possible. Don't want to leave any of the wood unpainted. All the surface. Now that we're finished with side by side, we go down. Without the paint brush again.
Well, now me have to go wait till the first coat dry, then put on the second one, then wait till the second one dry, and me did I say this is better than chilling out on the beach? I've applied all 3 coats of stain to the top. Now let's do it on the sides.
put it on the floor in tile. You don't want your tiles mixed up.
Although this is similar to oil paint, you get any droplets on the floor, you just get a piece of cloth, dip it in the thinner, and just wipe it away. That's the same thing you would do with oil paint anyway, right? Yeah. Yeah man, me love this. It'll turn out great. The pattern of the wood just a blend nicely with the steel. See, I'm loving this. Always feel free to experiment. As we say in Jamaica, any spoiler style. Me know we should have followed my mind this man, yeah.
What kind of work you do now?
And keep all doors closed.
Yeah. Double down. Then I want to go. Almost a quad, that's what it's like. This? Yes. So far. The name reason for the I think it's about 5 different types of cinnamon.
This I'm using is mahogany, but you should be able to get walnut, oak. You have a darker one to this, I'm not sure of the name, but you can check the hardwares. The hardware that I bought this one sells it very reasonable too. You can check them on.
Spanish is good. Spanish and I agree. The more you apply the varnish, the more you apply it, the darker it gets. Yeah. Voila. That is it.
Please let me know what you think about the video in the comments below. I would very much appreciate your feedback. Thank you very much for viewing, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next post.